right, this is the last one on Tesla. There was a third-party company that was selling this product to overcome the self-driving rules when you have the autonomous driving turn on a Tesla. It's the thing that requires your hands to be present every so often so that they know you're alive and well and is not autopilot left alone to his own devices. So this company was selling this product that was like a kind of a counterweight that would sit like a cheat device. It would sit on the steering wheel. And they said, oh, for those long trips, so you don't have to keep touch. Anyway, you know Tesla's not going to enjoy something like this, especially they had the bad press, which was like, oh, there was some crash and no one was in the driver's seat. And then Tesla's disputing, saying, oh, there was someone in.
Yeah.
You know how that goes. Well, anyway, this third-party company was selling this detachable weight to emulate a human hand, clipped right on there. The description of the product said, take advantage of Tesla's driver monitoring features, which include having a hand on the steering wheel at all times to show that the driver is ready to take over with this exploit. Obviously, this has drawn tremendous criticism, this type of hack. They were selling for $100. But, little update to the story, the manufacturer of the device has removed it from its online store and said it will destroy all units of the Autopilot counterweight. So somebody hit them up. They caught an email or two and possibly a phone call and maybe even a hand-delivered letter.
Yeah.
And they said, oh, God.
The scariest.
What are we doing right now?
Yeah.
We better back out this one. It ain't worth it. But certainly a bad idea. You know how people are with this. People want ultimate convenience. You can't blame them.
Yeah.
But you can too, because obviously a device like this could lead to some pretty bad things. It's possible.
Yep.
As smart as those Teslas happen to be.